I was listening to graduation exercises na Kingdom. And sandali ay just automatic. Na-recall ko yung lahat na dumaan na dito sa educational institution ng Kingdom. Pastor, alam mo, kilala man kita. Nung pobre ka pa, at pobre rin ako. And you had a chapel of scene, pati not a covered thing, but kapilya dyan sa Agdao. At when I look at the television, pinapalabas dyan, hindi ko kung bakit how God used you to improve the lives of human beings. Hindi ko makansa sa kaligayahan ko na yung access, you open something, you access to people. Gaya ng punta ka ng UP, punta ka ng San Beda, punta ka ng Lasal. And yet, dito, on the northern side, if you reckon it from the city, meron dito na eskwelahan that have produced excellent lawyers, excellent educators, at iba pa. And now you have the School of Medicine. I am pretty sure that you will produce good doctors, specialists, and maybe scientists by the grace of God.